when you are growing now call when you nyame mu a very important say obesra wisdom. So we bring a problem one answer good because they didn't get a wisdom. Our applied knowledge na nyame ededum wo mo. Knowledge is given. Wisdom is acquired. 94.1 what I say? Knowledge is given, but the wisdom is acquired.
No,
knowledge is given. Yedema. Yes. But wisdom is acquired.
Daddy. How do you so if you say Solomon ebusa for wisdom.
Yes.
My daughter say.
Yes.
Ebusa for wisdom. So if wisdom is acquired, acquiring means I mean te ase there.
Yeah, no, tie. Yeah, who say your faith?
Yes.
Obu wo ho or gift of faith. Obi a wogidie. But obi gidie e chan de ben. Obi.
Exactly.
Your faith. Your faith as a gift. I de man nipa e kan adoma chede a ete say ye ma obi ani suade hunu ye ma obi empaibo ye ma obi kasafoforo ye ma obi your faith as a gift.
Okay.
And you what the natural faith I will be agidi. Solomon had extra wisdom. The wisdom no I de man was an extraordinary wisdom and nyame de no what I say the normal wisdom nti Solomon say bia near what unze won kwara bi why from the special IQ people. When ni nyina te classroom a musua de no onko lectures onko babia but ade na wo atrase a wa kire no obaya won ani bo buku mu a there are extra people gifted people so you can be gifted with that knowledge wo de no wonya normal you are a divine we are extra personality be on that edidem any what the normal knowledge fie dia ye tete wo na usua na wo ko na wonya book mu de na bia wonya fie I mean now you are acquiring that wisdom no and kakra.
Okay.
So you don't the Solomon one is a divine given. Now me am the baseline but obi one extra. Now knowledge in there word of knowledge and there be a way samai na bit my word of knowledge and na we nyina na me and me te ya ka kire me eno no enye obi a na enya e knowledge ya me drop it no the amount. That is why so far so me shan come down bebre nyam come che many of them are word of knowledge ayedema. Many of those things are not prophetic. Prophetic is different. Prophecy come to edify you. Ebia nyame say no obey ne man bia say na urade but say me hu wo na bia enra ukọ ha wo sha atade we enya prophetic a word of knowledge.
Oh okay. Apply the ni bi no.
Mo
maami a ugina ha opant no ye
those things are not how do you call it prophecy. No a knowledge a word of knowledge. Menye nimdie sem kan bi afa ho. I've had a word of knowledge about you. Enti na mami hu so okay wo ukọ ha in this years ago asem we see bra ye wo no we na see e na to a bra see no say the buy oh papa ni nyina dem e no kre they are knowledge. Yes enya prophetic. Yes enya prophetic. Now the prophecy can come ebia say ni said the already see ni wo oman no say na ebia AC gina ho me ba be de wo ye wadwuma bia say asafo no munye say pa aba neko betma fo bia so wi a onya de ni sa biem.
Okay.
What I say bia nya betmi ahye ne man na asafo no nkran omonyere mo ho mon kenya mo ho those are the prophetic words awurade ba to edify ne nkofo no wa show mon kran na mo komanim ebi obi wo no aka tons kase bi then they be the word of prophets not on so no wa chechire mu wi a you are gone obi wo kra o hunu biem onya biem you need the knowledge and that is why na meka sa binum no de a wo
memo akọ ba my question me fa say bi a George ti he na so for be George
EZRA FM 94.1
na this year so nyame me hu say we ni and no
their knowledge their knowledge.
Oh I see
their knowledge
say ya say Mike when say the next 1 year oh ba be just kapa ha ba beto kuma se fie nyina
their knowledge. Now, Oshe Ebinimwa, some have a gift of knowledge, and they have the gift of prophecy. So, you look at the likes of Odifo, Kofi Asante, they are born naturally. They use the word. Therefore, they have the word and omono. They operate. Obu operate by 4 gifts. What I say, Obi will bear 4 gifts. Our demonstrating now the year, Juma. Eti omono their lifestyle are different. Oh, they give me a name. Bebre a prophet. Bebre senior prophet. Bebre operate the office. Bebre a name there. Bebre operate the prophetic ministry. But Ebiana they are not even prophets. They bit my bow so just but you are not in that office. Who are evangelist? Who are the gift of power? Or no gift of power, who but will be an anoka. Not 2 minutes a day, Dia wa in Subi etoso, Monko, when one nature say, na womo tigunu monko. These are the word, these are the gift of power or power ministry or kasa bibiya day. Esi obi wa the power, obi wa the knowledge, obi wa the prophetic. It never operated 3 offices in a boom. Now look at this. Obinim no ma omo ka say omo timi create. And as somebody be create.
I don't know, but I saw yourself now.
Oh yes.
David.
No tie me. They are called. They are the yes. Nyame afre no. Where bebre this as of woman bebre they are all called. But friend I a friend no. Nya to say Mike. It is easy to set a standard than to maintain a standard.
Exactly.
Who are start Obinim no who almost are so one starting a humble beginning no. Park so
is it like
assemblies. They started on assemblies of God. Oh we are kwankyere or bompaye na kakra bo se na awurade pija no obe pija na ebedu baabi ne wanya dom kakra na oyen senche na fei obompaye mienu and you see I'm sorry my baby 200 or 100 you wouldn't mean share and dem no ka say nimdie da bia oba na nyame afa so wa hye nipa miensa nkom na na members ne ba no mo ba no mo ba ebedu baabi no member na ne ti dem no so be ankomasi
EZRA 94.1
to boase enti sa sori ba na oba ya na wo de nkom she start here no I'm telling you the difference between the charismatic churches Pentecostal and we the Orthodox wo ba ye wonya mrem tichi wo mo enti you are always prophet and do ba some come ba do ba bi no obeba no o hwe nkom she we anya nkom she ni bi man no wo sa ye den eko you need to keep them what I say you need to keep them. Nyame nso wan fa mfiri soro amawo a untimi nye. Enti wonya mfa mawo a wa hwe ya obeba no ade be che obeba no mo so te. How do I make it say the be ya members nya nso be koso aye dey. Atena dem ho a wo munwane nko. Ene ye se da bia me ba me ya de foforo. Enti me ya de foforo no say nyame mfa mawo ne na wo nso wo apply nimdie foforo bi na de eye.
If me so say enya duru satan na wodi ne foforo eye say. Na say nyame afrim. From that
exactly.
God is not with you again.
Adomna wa dem a wono na wo wadum no. Nti sia wo dim die no ye dey. Just to sustain and maintain. Nti du ba bi no a na wo hia o se dia ka so o da bia ne wo betimi aye bibi we kura betimi we afrem am wa koso a anya dom no bebre na fei na de akwa ho na nnuro sem na ye dey. Start bem. Nti bi kura ba ye kura no na ye bia adwaman sem wuram na afei be kwa koba wie nyina no still honam no ye wo de o pese wo da so agina mo bia hu se de wo te no sa na ate na ne wa start say either say you create and I say wo be pe bibia ye den afrem creating no nso no enye easy sa how long will you be creating na say da bia start say nti eno no so obetimi atu ne nan e de awo biem na de ti say de o no aka kan nsam ni na fei hu na dim na
sene de Obinim kan wonu ne ho say erade ma ya bone
and o nyina no se wonu no genuine no kan
wa ya bone
wa se nkonfo chan ba ewura
se wo hwe video no so anya se wonu ne hu
ai
da bi onu ne wona de anza se obi
Apasa or say.
No, let me listen. My mean TD and walk. I will MCR.
Yes.
MCR buy already. You can show up. Let me get it.
Doctor say one more you so feel good no. Who the near my yasha that create. Yeah, me say about way one nipa. Onwo da doctor say one more you so feel good no. 5 blood than yam. Na ma say that 2 me 9 s in yam. Who make you media grow media way so. Obi a me share that create bibi say. Yen ye di game way by. That time ye no pambo mu gina TV so no mo way. Don Kamuli am say mo. Me papa China Salem. And we have 2022. Say oba way am ko fa ni free Saudi Arabia buy. It is sister da carpet na so. Na me so ma sheda nya adwin say ma me na ne nchen. Na ya sheda fa adwin say den sheda ntro say Bishop Obinim sleeping with church member one on the floor. Yes sheda pa. Na yes sheda create. Yes. Stories near the aba. Say be ya Ghana for be there. E be kinye ho asem. E be ka ho asem. Abranche me ma di low.
That is why you don't only look at essentially. What I like about Kofi Asante, he will teach you the word.
Yeah.
What you say? And to hear all these years, I mean, you will be say since 2006. Yeah, the idea.
Remaining relevant.
He's always relevant. He is always relevant because one, as you give them the word, Papa. You fans and children can't for you. Because and comes to be bibia betwem nyame asem e be gina
na we asofo
yes
utie obi ni me ne sem working kire say wasa kire
they all can nye nu hu kasa but the apostle kire on say
unimi ya miyasin
unimi ya woni yes
me bad girl ni mu chen
but have you seen say now unten nka bie
na panifo tete we
that is why doctrine ade e betima akum agu o man abo man ehu doctrine and a religion say nipa enra mi twam wo baby na manfo abo empanifo pa do o castle Perez Chapel opposite obi a wote mi dia eje ho ya dwuna se anase patase Perez ofa depo ho a police depo usane a otra awacha branche na ba when won say futafo bi wo branch kon is it school and I say right opposite no but I say right opposite Perez Chapel washing baby or Perez Chapel anymore usane ya bought tent scaffold penifo omo TV so no mo here sorry but this fu Philadelphia fu ni osofo bi anti o obi ani ho TV ne si ho o makwa sorry no mu wi aya to and big men
where cast no
I'm telling you boduku white obi anyina nim ho na om TV
na TV na bi o mo fie
no but that they are all gathered there.
Okay,
it tells you the power of religion. It tells you in Ghana ade bit ma sell o my way that na enwa na me kan wa sorry say Mike look at money a ekoso okrom anyina ya chi nipa no a ya mfra no Maria no wodi Nathaniel oni Nathaniel a no wodi David
na Sarah
oni David a no wodi Sarah oni Sarah no wodi Peter nye Peter no wodi John adentra
na Paul
why are you
ana Paul
why are you go pa Michael why are they pa Michael for that
have you asked yourself why
idinu ananka eye idie
enso safo we nyina no be na ayi Abdullahi Isa Musa wo nyina nkamofo be wo nyina Christopher enso be protect nipa personality than say the character it Ghana essay nyina any woman na enye ye no ye nyina ya dwen no we believe in religion than believing in say ye di ye nipadua as ye da Christo su edi ye fire so for as God than say the just for credit change ame period and that is so dangerous as for mine it is a like anyama ekoso but how come look at this KNUST akwala idi are they all not Christians within a short about 3:15 a.m. near so ni PA CCTV CCTV footage just within a few time altercation or an altercation kakra bi bae. Na wetimi ayi ne nkwa afiri ne nsem. This is an allegation.
And say umie obi kura kunu no easy saa. It doesn't take who says ukuta two and so the buffet or cute two. And the buffet na second down or fire crowd.
What the war on different.
It will take time.
Na all come.
To take time. Well, girlfriend,
how?
You know, all come ukwana or taste on the nothing strikes your mind.
Yes. Enti adiana ekoso organa ha no. Yeah. So why you careful? We will use religion to kill this country totally. It is serious.
But I offer minim. Eya na bibi nso mu ana. I say asofo no bu ho a. We a obeye nyina ne ho asem timi ba so obenya ne church members a okobo omo asem so am no be kontokwa.
Oh, baby. That's why they've been indoctrinated. Nipa na what one. And now here akoya also obe president DA wo krume Jirabosom. Then some more back. And I'm there me worry na and I we and I wait you know o ba no me kire me corner o ba ji scan o ba kwancha me use scan but ni nyina ne say ebinum kra ba no mo ahihye wo mo o a mo ye bi kroma abrepo power o nyina we
they not talk koko
ai koko fo nyina boy Joshua J no nyina ne I mean nyame ho amani eni ama ba kroma oketachie afrifa no aketachie masa. So it's just a matter of time.
Now, my point is so more critique because Obinim they are working.
Creating.
You critique.
Aye.
Say yes, no.
Aye.
Now, your course will remain relevant.
Yes.